Hey everybody, this is Vasile with Out of the Box, and today we have for review the premium reversible micro USB cable by Omaker. The cable is 3 feet long, it is nylon braided and comes in nice grey color. Before we get to the main point why this cable is different than your other micro USB cables, let's talk some specs. The cable delivers transfer speed of up to 480 megabits per second and supports 2.4A charging current. You can use it with Android smartphones, tablets, MP3 players, cameras and many more. Now to the main quality of the cable. It is reversible USB, meaning when plugging in your phone you always get it right the first time. In fact, both USB ends are reversible. The build quality is solid. The micro USB connector is gold plated. Overall, this is a quality product that for sure deserves to call itself premium. In the rise of USB Type-C, most of consumers still don't own USB Type-C devices. But one of the main qualities of the new standard has come also to micro USB users, and that is the ability to plug the cable both ways around. Although USB Type-C offers higher transfer speeds, most consumers put this advantage in the second place. For a cable, being reversible is now the main ability that provides comfort in using it. Omaker has responded to this demand and with a great offering. I will provide a link in the description in case you want to check out this cable. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and why not subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.